Hi guys, it's Chris here with selfmadenewbie.com. Happy New Year, happy 2020. Welcome to this YouStudio review. Now for those of you out there looking to massively improve on your video marketing, YouTube, video presentation or sales page game, this is going to be an amazing product for you. YouStudio is basically 7 tools in one that allows you to maximize your video. So we've got a viral keyword tool which is going to help you find keywords, usually keyword tools you have to pay for. There's a headline analyzer that is going to help you to create great headlines for your videos. Remember that no matter how good your content is, if your headline is not grabbing people's attention, no one's going to look at it. Doesn't matter how good it is. The third tool is Viral Video Finder. This is going to find viral video, find trending videos so that you can either curate that content or make content based off of that, which is always a proven method as well to get kind of growth hack your way into getting more subscribers and followers and things like that. The fourth tool is Video Syndication. So this is going to help you to push out your video onto different social media platforms automatically, so you don't have to mess around with that, manual sharing. Number 5 is Competitor Spy. So you're going to be able to spy on your competitors, see what they're doing, see what keywords they're using, all that kind of stuff, so you can mimic the most successful ones and then make your own videos more successful. The next tool, YouTube Graphic Designer. It's going to help you make great thumbnails. Thumbnails and titles together, they are what pull people in, okay? Content is what makes people stay, but no one's gonna stay until you've pulled them in. So design and headline tools, super important. And then we've got tool number 7, a video slide creator. If you don't like to be on camera yourself, this is a great tool to create slides so you can display information in a way that is still appealing without showing your face. So today we're gonna take a deep dive into that. And as well as that, I've also gotten you some really great bonuses that are gonna go hand in hand with YouStudio really well, so you really hit the ground running. So before we get into it, drop a like on this video, hit subscribe and turn on the bell notification if you want to be updated with new videos coming out that are gonna help you make money online. Also, if you want to jump ahead at any time during this video, make sure you first click the link in the description, because that will take you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. And the way my bonus page works is it is integrated with the official YouStudio website. So what that means is if you click on any of these green buttons, it will lock in all of these bonuses first before then sending you through to the YouStudio site. And if you decide to purchase YouStudio at any point, you will not only get YouStudio, but you'll get all these bonuses with it as well. So make sure you go through that way if you think YouStudio is right for you. The first bonus, YouTube Mastery and YouTube Channel Income. So 2 great products. One is going to just teach you everything about setting us up a successful YouTube channel, going into the ins and outs of titles, descriptions, tags, ranking, SEO. The other product going into how you can make money through YouTube, how successful people do it. You're gonna know how to do it as well. Bonus number 2 is Online Viral Marketing Secrets. This is gonna teach you the anatomy of viral content on whatever platform, Facebook, YouTube, whatever. Knowing this information is great because really it's just a process of mimicking what people are already doing, putting your own spin on it, your own brand on it, and that's really all there is to it. This is a great product. Bonus number 3, Boost Web Traffic and Web Traffic Excellence. So these 2 products are going to go into really the marketing side. So you're going to know how to create great videos, how to make them look good, how to draw attention. And this is going to help you get traffic to the products. So each of these products talks about different things, but they're both based around pulling traffic, which most people forget about. Most people just create videos, create content, and then they sit back and they go, where are the people? This is going to help you to proactively go out and get that audience that you want to see your content. Bonus number 4, I've gotten you 2 plugins, YouTube Video Leads and WordPress Video Commission. YouTube Video Leads is going to help you create pages with your YouTube videos where you can put in time markers, cool titles, descriptions, set it up looking really well. So if you don't want to drive people directly to YouTube, you can direct them to your own page. WordPress Video Commission helps you to create video review pages to help you promote affiliate products or your own products. Helps you set up the page so you don't need to mess around with any kind of coding or development or things like that. Bonus number 5, a little bit out of right field, but something I'm really passionate about lately is podcasting. And the amount of people I see who are not doing podcasting, where they could just basically take their YouTube video, put it on a website like YouTube Mate or Save Video or YouTube Video Converter, any of those sites, turn it into an MP3 and shove it on the internet on anchor.com, which is free, or any other podcast platform, and then you have the audio version of your content. And podcasting, you know, is still underutilized. There's competition, but not as much as on YouTube. So if your content is the type that could be put into audio format, I would recommend checking this out as well. So if that all sounds good to you, step one, link in the description. If you want to jump ahead, you'll go to this page, click on these green buttons, it locks in the bonuses, and then sends you off to the YouStudio sales page, which looks like this. And I'd recommend going through this in your free time. There's some great testimonials and little demos on here that you can take a look at, just to see if it's right for you, and you can make a more informed decision. If you do decide to purchase, you'll be sent a digital receipt, which looks like this. Under the green button is YouStudio, under the blue button is all the bonuses I just talked about. So easy peasy. My email's there if you have any problems. You shouldn't. Also keep your eye on this countdown timer, because these bonuses, it is part of a launch week special. As with any pricing, discount pricing, they get activated when you click on these green buttons. If there is time on the counter, there is the bonuses, everything is still available. So basically, the sooner you get in, the more you get for the less price. So without further ado, let's jump into YouStudio. Let's see what it's all about.
Okay, so I'm logged into the dashboard right now. You know, as you can see, it's slick, it's nice. Here on the left-hand side, there's the menu bar. It's really simple. You know, there's 7 different tools, video optimization tools, and your subscribers basically going to get all of them for one low price. If they want to add their account, they go here to the upper right. There's a notification button right here. Before I even go into the tools, here on the left-hand side, you can see there's video training for them, tutorials that's going to teach them, you know, just how to actually use the software on the day-to-day, and they can change their profile. Now, the 7 tools that they're going to get, there's a keyword research tool, okay? And again, I'm just going to give you a quick overview. They just click on this, they click here on find keywords, and then, you know, super simple example. If I put how to make money online here, you know, I can geo-target here by different countries. They can go through the list here, and you can change your source. I'm going to go with YouTube. You could also do Google, for example. Click here and search, and then super quickly, it's going to give you different keywords, right? Because if you go with this one right here, you're going to have a hard time, or your clients going to have a hard time, or their clients, better said, to rank for that, right? So they're going to get different keyword ideas right here. For keywords that are easier to rank, there's 2 different pages right here. They can click here on research, and then they can dig even deeper and eventually find keywords that are way easier to rank for. Okay, again, this is just a quick overview, okay? Headline creator, you can go here, click on create headline, and it's gonna rank a headline. So I'm just gonna go here again with how to make money online. And I'm clicking on analyze just so that you can see what it does. Super quick, as you can see. And then basically you can go down here and it's gonna rank it. So there's a score right now of 71. And then it's gonna look at structure, grammar, readability. It gives you percentages right here. And then even tips on common words, uncommon words, emotional triggers, power words, brand words, and so forth and so forth. So as you can see, this is a really cool tool that they can use to analyze the headline before they write a headline for their YouTube videos or any other videos that they want to rank out there, okay? And again, just a quick overview, right? This is not a full demo. Finding trending content, that's cool. If I click here on find, I can then go here and say, let's just stick with this, how to make money online. Click here on find and check this out. Super quickly, it's going to show me right now trending content and popular content, right? So here I can see the Facebook engagements. I can see Pinterest shares, YouTube engagement, which is obviously super powerful. And here, you know, like 4,000 engagements on Facebook for this one here, 7 million views. So I would obviously look into that one. And you can do some research right here and see what's trending, what's hot in your niche, and then, you know, grab ideas from these videos that are out there doing super, super well. We have a U-Ranker. So this is basically a competition spy tool if you want. You can put your keyword here that you want to rank for, then you put your actual YouTube URL right here, and then your competitor's YouTube URL right here, and then our software is going to go out there and compare the two and show you what's working for them so that you can get ideas for that as well. And the other cool thing that you can do here is if you click on ranking notifications, you can actually track your videos. So if you have multiple videos and you want to see if they're improving, if they're starting to rank higher for the keywords, you can do it right here and even get notified as well, which is super helpful. So here, you know, the keyword how to build a website, you can see how you rank, if you rank improved, and so forth. And we have YouScheduler, so basically just scheduling your videos for different social media platforms and syndicating your videos. That is also super helpful. Then we have YouGraphics right here, where you can actually create graphics for your videos. We have, different options right here like resize, rotate, crop, and these are optimized already for YouTube channel graphics. And then here, last but not least, we have the video creator. It's a simple slide creator to create simple videos. And if I click on that, click here on create, and then you can see a simple dashboard right here where if they need to, they can create some nice looking simple videos with this tool right here. Okay, super straightforward. So that's the dashboard. This is YouStudio. It's 7 different tools.
All right, I hope you enjoyed that demo. I hope you're looking forward to getting your hands on YouStudio and seeing what it can do for you. It's just a massive bundle there. Now, really quick, again, if you go through to my bonus page, there's a little description of what you can expect in written form. And what you can expect if you do decide to buy it and you're going through that buying purchase, because there are a few one-time offers and things like that. So the front end, $47, is basically everything you saw there with the 7 YouTube optimization apps that I talked about. One-time offer number 1 is the Pro version for $67, and there'll be a couple more things you can add if you feel like they're worth it. One-time offer number 2 you'll be offered is an agency package, which basically sets you up with a website, proposals, graphics, and email templates, and everything you need if you're an agency and you want to use if you want to use YouStudio as like a service that you use it in order to help other people build their channels. One-time offer number 3, reseller rights, so you can resell the product depending on how many licenses you want. 97, 147, 297 are the prices, and I think that's for 100, 200, or 500 licenses that you can give out to clients or whoever. And then one-time offer number 4 is the white label rights, where you get to put your own branding on it essentially, or sell it as your own product and get all the profits. So if you believe in this product that much and you think it'd be a good idea to market it, you can go for that option as well. I will say that you do only need the front end option to get access to all the bonuses I just talked about. So don't think you need all those offers. I'm just running you through them so you know what to expect. So if you think about it, for $47, you're getting all those bonuses as well, just a whole lot on offer here with a money back guarantee as well. If you do have any questions, drop them in the comments, hit me up on email or social media. I do reply to everybody. And if not, enjoy YouStudio. I hope you love the bonuses, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.